Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. And this video we are going to see on how to service the front brake pads. So my vehicle has ran around 15,000 kilometers, and this is the first time I'm servicing the brakes. So for this you need to remove four nuts on the vehicle. So I'm actually going to use the existing wrench which came with the car. So normally it will be tight, to be honest. For that case you can use a rod like this, a hollow rod. So you could which would insert into the wrench like this, and you can just press it with your feet or your hand. It will easily remove. So this is actually a small science behind it. So from the extreme end, if you just push it, it will easily come out. So sometimes after removing the bolts, the tire won't come out. So you could just kick it on all the four sides, and you can just push it out. So you could see a bit of rust over there. To open up the brake caliper, you will need a small ring spanner which is of 16 and 17. So at back of the caliper there will be a small nut. You have to just loosen it up. So I'll just show you that nut after a bit a while. So removing the brake pad is very much easy. You have to just push it in and out. It will easily come out. So by the same method you could remove the other pads too. So the important thing in brake service which people used to forget is lubing this guide pins. So inside this you should pack some sort of grease and fill it. Okay. So also don't use petrol to clean these things. So these rubbers will wear out easily. So you just need to use some shampoo or foaming soaps. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just use some emery sheets and clean this off and try to paint it. So as you could see, this there will be a small rubber cover over it. So that's the reason why I told you not to use petrol to clean petrol or diesel. So it will affect the chemical properties of this rubber. So this is the guide pin with where you could see a lot of grease in it. So what you could do is just clean that old grease and apply some new one. So to talk about the mechanism, this one actually moves in and out, so that you need to lube this one. Apply as much as grease you can, nothing will be happening to this. So the same procedure, do it on the top side. So you could just pull that caliper out, it will come out easily. So before painting, I'm going to mask the wheel studs where the bolt comes in and tights, so that there won't be any issue while tightening the wheel. So before painting, actually you try to cover the disc plates so that there won't be any paint residues on the plate, which might reduce your braking performance. So on cleaning the brake pads, you could use a 100 grit emery paper. So used to scrape all the brake pads and on the sides too. So in between the center cut, you could use screwdriver and remove the old dust where while braking the dust goes and deposits over there. So what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to just apply light grease on the sides so that won't get rust for the next time. And it's actually easy to fit. You can just push it in easily by how the way you removed it in the same way. And now you can push the brake caliper down and lock it with a nut which we removed in the early stage. So this is how filthy my wheels look. All the wheel balancing weights have gone, and I took the liberty to clean it thoroughly. And after cleaning it, I'm going to just fix it up the same way how I removed. And I will just show you guys on where I hooked up my wheel jack. So this is where I have fixed, and I also removed the other side of the tire. So this is actually the bolt which we need to remove first while removing the brake caliper, and you could continue doing the same process which we did on the other side of the wheel. As you see here, here also the same thing. The disc is actually being rusted. So if you have a steel brush, you can just remove those rust. And also, if you could see inside the disc piston, even there the rust has been formed. So this is actually a common. I'm not staying in a coastal area, but if you are staying in a coastal area, this might be huge. You need to service it periodically, to be honest. So lubing of this guide pin is actually important so that your brake pads wear off evenly. Otherwise, there might be some scraping noise or so. This on this side. So the next time if you're using it. So after fixing the caliper and tightening it up, just check if any excessive grease is there. So if it's there, just clean it up, otherwise it might get into contact with the disc plates and reduce your vehicle's performance. So the next thing which I'm going to do is I'm going to sand this complete rusted part in the disc plate. So some might ask whether painting is good or not. Yes, of course you can paint, but you have to be more careful while painting because it should not touch the disc plate. So this is how it looks after painting. So I gave it a 2 coats, and I have just painted it on this side. So also I have covered the wheel studs, so that won't be an issue. So that's pretty much it from this video, guys. So we have completely serviced the front, both the front brake pads. So same goes for replacing the one. So mine is actually has got a bit amount of more thickness on it, so I didn't change. So if you want to change, you can just get the parts from a local store or Bootmo. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Do like, share and subscribe.